Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology. Begin by grasping the foundational principles of each system. Don't just memorize facts, strive to understand the underlying mechanisms and their interconnections. Divide your study material into smaller, digestible chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize understanding the why behind physiological processes, which will make recall much easier. Consistent daily effort, even for a couple of hours, builds a strong knowledge base over time. To truly master physiology, engage in active learning. Don't just passively read. Test yourself frequently using flashcards or by recalling information without looking at your notes. Visual aids are incredibly powerful. Sketch out pathways and organ systems to solidify your understanding. Teaching a concept to someone else, or even just explaining it aloud, highlights areas where your comprehension might be weak. Connecting physiology to clinical scenarios helps bridge the gap between theory and practical application. Make the most of your available resources. While one textbook is a good starting point, cross-referencing with others or reputable online platforms can offer different explanations and reinforce learning. Active participation in lectures and practicals is crucial. Use these sessions to clarify doubts and take effective notes. Collaborating with a small study group allows for peer teaching and discussion, which can deepen understanding. A quick daily review of prior material significantly boosts long-term memory retention. When preparing for exams, practice is paramount. Work through as many past questions as possible to familiarize yourself with the format and common themes. Focus your efforts on high-yield areas that frequently appear in assessments, ensuring a solid grasp of these critical topics. Develop your own summary notes or mnemonics for rapid review in the days leading up to an exam. Remember, physical well-being is just as important as mental preparation. Prioritize good sleep and nutrition to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.